Uploading videos online gives viewers an insight to your business. It's one of the best ways to gain new customers and turn them into fans. A variety of free editing software will allow you to produce content to help you with that. Keep on watching as we run down the top 6 free apps to create viral videos. Before we begin, hit the thumbs up button and share this video to help us reach more people. Let's go! From Facebook My Day and Instagram Stories to YouTube Shorts, video has undeniably become an essential tool for marketing your business. In fact, 87% of consumers said they want to see more video content from brands, according to the State of Video Marketing in 2019 by HubSpot. If you're like many business owners, you probably use your phone to create your video content. Editing your video is something you can do on the go too, giving it just enough polish to look professional. With just one viral video, it could put your business on the map. Deciding on a good video editing app is not easy due to the sheer amount of apps available for download. To help you choose the tool that's right for you, we created this list of 6 user-friendly video apps that are free or have paid versions that add value. Number 6. Inshot. If you want a simple video editor for creating Instagram stories, Inshot is an all-in-one tool. Easily trim your clips, change the speed of your footage, and add filters. You can also rotate footage, a feature not all editing apps provide. Highly rated on Google Play, this app is a popular choice. The key features are music, effects, and voiceover narrations, text and emoji overlays, video effects, easily share videos, and blur the background. The free version includes ads and a watermark. It's compatible for iOS and Android, and it's best for no-frills editing for Instagram stories. Number 5. Funimate. Funimate is a popular video editing app for casual video editors who need a decent selection of features. TikTok users often use this app to edit their 1-minute videos because it offers better functionality than the TikTok editing platform. The key features are, it includes over 100 advanced video effects, emojis, stickers, audio tools, and cropping options. Create your own effects using the photos on your phone. Easy loop videos for social media. Basic features like merging, cutting, and trimming tools. It's compatible for both Android and iOS, and it's best for vertical videos. Kinemaster. If you're ready to move up to professional features, Kinemaster offers a video editing app that is more robust than some of the others. This tool allows you to edit frame by frame for the most detailed results. The key features are more flexibility than other video editing apps, special effects and music. Layer your video with text, graphics, images, recorded audio, and handwriting. Green screen support, and instant preview options. It is compatible in both Android and iOS, and it's best for advanced video creators who want to edit on the go. Number 3. Adobe Premiere Rush. Adobe is known for its photo and video editing software, and Premiere Rush is the obvious evolution of that. It gives you all the features you would need to create a quality video on your phone at a price point. The key features are multi-track timeline, auto-reframe for social media, built-in professional camera functionality, drag-and-drop interface, and it allows you to add titles, background music, overlays, and other video effects. It's compatible in both Android and iOS, and it's best for Creative Cloud users. Number 2. Promeo. Promeo is a time-saving video editing app that allows you to create promotional content on social media in 3 steps. Posts can be created by simply choosing a favorite template, replacing the image or videos with the ones you like, and then sharing it directly with your followers. The key features are, it is easy to use, ready-to-use fully customizable templates, and royalty-free music, stock photos and videos, stickers, and fonts included. It's compatible in iOS and Android, and it is best for social media. Number 1. PowerDirector. PowerDirector is the best Android video editor. This app comes with a wide range of features that allow you to craft the perfect video from start to finish. The key features are, edit and export videos in up to 4K resolution, produce fast-forward or slow-motion videos with speed adjustment, fix shaky cam footage with video stabilizer, produce eye-catching intros with animated titles, tons of audio effects in Voice Changer, replace background with green screen editor by using chroma key, create stunning double exposure effects with video overlays and blending modes, and unlimited access to a massive royalty-free stock library. It's compatible in Android and iOS, and it is the best overall app. Creating viral videos needs a little push. We have a marketing software that will do the job just for you. Get free organic YouTube traffic with TubeRank Cheat 4. Get perfect titles, descriptions, tags, and hashtags. It tells you which keywords are hard and which are easy. Get the exact optimizations that you need to rank number 1. Keep collections of your favorite channels, videos, tags, and hashtags. Optimize any video in minutes, not hours. And upload your videos direct from TubeRank Cheat 4. Go to tuberancheat.com/sales and don't miss out on this revolutionary software to help you grow your business online. And that's it for the top 6 free apps to make viral videos. I hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you'll never miss anything from us. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.